Evening time you say, at the bedtime.
Bedtime you say, Kachifo.
Okay.
Kachifo. Kachifo. At the bedtime you say, Kachifo. Kachifo. Kachifo.
Wow.
Koronu haka. When it was your turn, they clapped for you, right? Now, koronu haka. Koronu haka. Imagine. Koronu haka. Good. Yeah. Your voice, I heard your voice. It's so beautiful. So don't hide it.
Okay.
Okay?
Now, I have a question. Enwere m ajụjụ means question. Enwere m ajụjụ. So ajụjụ mbụ, kedu ihe a na-akpọ father n'Igbo? Father in Igbo. Nna. Wow, Imakise. Others, I hope you are getting it. You are learning.
Yes.
Father in Igbo is called what?
And also mother.
Nna. No. Mother, yes, and also mother in Igbo is called what? Ne. It just father is Nna. Father is Nna. But my father is Nna. Do you understand? Father is Nna. My father Nna. Mother is Ne. My mother is Ne. Do you understand? Mother is what? Ne. My mother is Ne. So father is who? Is what?
Me.
Father. Nna. Father. Father. Ne.
Mother.
Ne.
Mother.
Nna.
Father.
Father. Father. Nna.
Father.
Father. Father. Mother. Father. Mother. Yes, mother. Okay. Mother. Mother. Father. Father. Nna. Father. 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 Mother. Ne.
Just confused us.
I'm not confused.
She's not. She just wants to know if you know.
Okay, father. Nna. Father. 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 No, I'm not confusing you again. Mother. 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 Let me confuse you again. Nna.
Father.
Yes. Yes. Father. Nna. Father. Ne.
Mother.
Oh. You think? Yes, that is verbal reasoning in Igbo language.
Yes.
Yes, now. See, we have verbal reasoning in Igbo language. You have to listen, think. Yeah. You know why you answer. So, father is what? Father. Father. Nna. Father. Father. Mother. Mother. Father. Father. Mother. Mother. Father. Mother. Father. Mother. Okay, now can we sing like this? Let's sing to our father
can you
and
stop
mother.
that?
Let's sing to our mother, our father and mother first. Now we'll sing today. Sing for them like this. Ezinna kedu, Ezinna kedu, Ezinna kedu, kedu kimere. Oh yeah, let's go. Ezinna kedu, Ezinna kedu, Ezinna kedu, kedu kimere. Adimumma, adimumma dalu, adimumma dalu, adimumma dalu, kedu kimere. Adimumma, adimumma dalu, adimumma dalu, adimumma dalu, kedu kimere. Let's sing for a mother. Ezinem, kedu, ezinem, kedu, ezinem, kedu, kedu kimere. Adimumma, adimumma dalu, adimumma dalu, adimumma dalu, kedu kimere. Ezinna, ezinna, kedu, ezinna, kedu, ezinna, kedu, kedu kimere. Adimumma, adimumma dalu, adimumma dalu, adimumma dalu, kedu kimere. Ezinem, ezinem, kedu, ezinem, kedu, ezinem, kedu, kedu kimere. Adimumma, adimumma dalu, adimumma dalu, adimumma dalu, yes, kedu kimere. Now, can you sing it? Okay, you cannot sing it. Oh. Since you said no, it's not going. Can you? No, I asked all of them. You can sing it. You can sing it.
I'll try. Me, I will
Okay,
try.
I want somebody, if you want to try, I want somebody to try with Ezinam Kedu, another person. Ezinam Kedu. So one person sings for Anna. She first said that she can do it. You understand? Let me start. Mom, Abi, Ezinam. Is it what you want to sing? Oh yeah, let me count for you. Otu, Abo, Ato, Bido.
No,
you don't slap. Why just
Church.
Kedu, ezine, kedu, ezine,
Kimere. Adimumma dalu,
adimumma dalu, adimumma dalu.
kedu kimere. Oh, banyere abani. Call me. Don't think I go like Makanna. Nna, okay. Otu, abo, ato, bido.
Ezinam,
Ezinam.
ezinam,
Kedu.
kedu, ezinam, kedu, ezinam, kedu,
Kedu kimere. Adimumma. Adimumma.
adimumma dalu, adimumma dalu, adimumma dalu.
Kedu kimere. Akoni aka. Who else wants to try? Who else wants to try? Oh yeah, which one? Nnem or Nam? Nnem or Nam? Which one? Nnem. Okay. Ngwa. Otu, abo, ato, bido. Chukwu. Ezinem oya. Kedu. Kedu. Kedu kimere. Adimumma. Good. Kedu kimere. Oh, abane. Koni aka. Alas. Can anybody try?
Try.
Okay, let's take it once again. This is not the end of this song. Tomorrow we complete the song, but let's Try again.
And IGBO had a makwaya.
Okay, all us. They used to hide their
it.
knowledge. Yes, I know.
They know it.
I know.
Go upstairs and display.
You see, I know. They know it. They will know it. They will not talk.
On our church.
They go upstairs. They
They know what they're doing. I know they know it.
Even though we got the quiet to turn on.
They are recording. They are like tape recorder. They are recording. I know they know it. They will just keep quiet. See how quiet they are. So when you get to your room, you now start shouting, jumping on the bed. As in there. Come from what is in them? I'll come and pick on your door. Know what I will get. As in them. I'll come and put my ear on your door. Let me know what I will hear. Allah. Yes. Okay. So everybody now, let's do it together. Otu, abo, ato, bido, ezinam, kedu, ezinam, kedu. Open your mouth.
Ezinam,
kedu kimere. Adimumma,
Dalu.
Adimumma dalu, kedu kimere. Ezinem, kedu, ezinem, kedu, kedu kimere. Adimumma dalu, adimumma dalu, kedu kimere. Ezinam, kedu, kedu kimere. Adimumma dalu, kedu kimere. So she will go now, eh? You got go, Kegi. You must. Okay. I be there back. So we are starting from here. We take her as mom. So for girl, but girl now bu one wine. Oh, one wine. You have wine. Eh? Okay. Eh? So I gonna do one. Genti. Listen. Okay? Igajia. Ezine. Kedu. Ezine. Kedu. Watch me. What I'm doing is what you will do. Ezine. Kedu. Ezine. Kedu. Ezine. Kedu kimere. You will respond. Adimumma dalu. This one a drum. Adimumma dalu. You will now turn to her. This one a drum. Kedu kimere. Okay? Igoraya. You are the video. Goraya. Ezine. Kedu. Ezine. Kedu. When you are done singing it, she will respond. Adimumma dalu. Adimumma dalu. Adimumma dalu. Machi, in agency. Once you are done singing, Adimumma dalu, you come to her, you say, Kedu kimere. Then she will pick it up from there. She will now sing to Olaku. Iga guru Olaku. Iga juzi Olaku. Ezine. Kedu. Okay? It's okay now.
Olu gensi.
Ego naya.
Anytime you sleep, you don't
Kedu. Where's one name? You know my brother. That is one name. That is me not one name. My brother. One name. Kedu. One name. Kedu. One name. Kedu. kedu kime. Come one name one. My sister. One name one. Kedu. One name one. Kedu. You know my sister. One name one. Kedu. Kedu kime. Come and wash your face. Come.
Go.
Want to sleep? Huh? Go up. Go up. No, class. Huh? No, don't stay here. Don't stay here. Go up and sleep. Sorry. Oh, yeah. But go near. See your turn. I'm going to no, if you want to stay there, you sit here.
Okay. Machi, you are going to go here. You are going here. Anything name. Kedu, okay? Alright.
It's not sweet though.
Kedu, Zaya. Jonica. Kedu
Kimere.
You got Juliana. Kedu Kimere. Joya.
Kedu Kimere.
Guzerea. Everything. Kedu. Everything. Kedu. Yeah, Gloria. Kedu Kimere.
That's one.
Adimuma Dalu. Kedu Kimere.
Don't go downstairs.
Metiaka. Where? Kedu Kimere. Go okay. Onye ka bụ nwoke. Akwa? So you ga go ya. Ezinna. Gloria.
Raise your voice. Shout it.
Okay, chere. Okwuchukwu na-agụrụ Olisadebe egwu akwa ya ọ na-ekene ya. Akwụnụ hụrụ otu Okwuchukwu si ele Olisa n'anya. Olisa na-elekwa ya n'anya. Achọghị m nke unu ga na-agụ egwu itinye isi gị otu a.
Yes,
Put your head down and be singing. No. When you are talking, even in school, at home, you are being taught that when you are communicating, you look at the person you are communicating with, right? So all same thing kind of men are as all here na Igbo, okay? So Igbo kind in asusu in a donya nanya unu koro ha boaka koro ha ka clap for them. Koro ha boaka. Okay, Okwuchukwu go egwu ahụ ọzọ Ezinna go ya.
Speak out. Adimuma.
Your praise, you can do Kimere. Olisadebe, your praise, can do Kimere. Praise. Gora in Kegi. Goronia. Goram.
Wait, I'm doing it all.
Kedu.
Muaga Goro.
Kedu Kimere. Adimuma.
Adimuma dalu. Adimuma dalu. Adimuma dalu. Kedu Kimere. Alright.
Ezi nwanne m nwoke kedu. Nwanne m nwanyị kedu. Nwanne m nwoke kedu. Kedu Kimere. Adimuma.
Adimuma dalu.
mmadụ adị m mmadụ kedu ka ị mere.
I call on why I can't clap for your let's clap for ourselves.
Yes, sir. Live.
Good job.
Okay. Ọkwa ihe a bụ ihe nwere na mgbede a. Ọ bụrụ na o nweziri ndị ya akacha ihe ha akacha dị. Onye nkụzi, unu ihe nwere. Ma ya bụ afọ. So ihe a bụ ihe nwere taa. Orechi ya bụ nwokwu ya. So ihe a bụ ihe nwere taa. Ọ bụrụ na o nwere ndị ya akacha. Ọha ngwa tinyesịrị ha. Yes, exactly.
Udochukwu na mmachi. Udochukwu na mmachi. Udochukwu na mmachi.
Igbo 2 side.
Oh, yeah,
I want to watch Igbo 2.
Yeah, what Igbo 2?
So kind of Igbo 2, okay?
Yeah, Igbo 2. Igbo 2.
Okay, challenge Igbo 2.
Igbo 2. Igbo 2.
Igbo 2. So who Igbo 2s? Okay. Igbo 2s.
Igbo 2s.
Igbo.
Udochukwu.
Igbo 2. Igbo 2. Igbo 2. I want insects. I want this one.
Baby, Kedu?
Okay.
Yeah.
What's in that part of the body? No. All us are so quiet too.
So from downstairs, I'm going to go 2 years old. I like noodles. Because I used to that's the one I only can't have. But the only one I want is the onion. But don't like onion. I said I like onion. It is my sister that doesn't like onion. Slow down. Yes.
Ụtụtụ ọma na ụmụaka. Kedu unu?
Anyị dị mma. Maazị Udumoyoyo, gịnị ka ị ga-akụziri anyị taa?
Aga m akụziri unu maka akụkụ ahụ anyị dị iche iche. Ngwa kwuonu ihe m kwuru. Nke a bụ ntutu. Nke a bụ ntutu. Nke a bụ isi. Nke a bụ isi. Nke a bụ anya. Nke a bụ anya. Nku anya. Nku anya. Nke a bụ imi. Nke a bụ imi. Nke a bụ ọnụ. Nke a bụ imi. Nke a bụ eze. Nke a bụ eze. Nke a bụ ire. Nke a bụ ire. Everybody.
When they are playing the song, you move the dance.
Do you feel sad that your children do not know how to speak the Igbo language? Or are you an adult and feel embarrassed you do not know how to communicate in the Igbo language? Join us now in Papa the Language online classes any day of the week from anywhere you are in the world. Contact us now. Darling.
That means
Kedunu. Aga m akụziri unu maka akụkụ ahụ anyị dị iche iche. Ngwa kwuonu ihe m kwuru. Olu, nke a bụ olu, nke a bụ ugwu, nke a bụ ugwu, nke a bụ aka, nke a bụ aka, mkpịsị aka, mkpịsị aka, mbọ aka, mbọ aka, ọbọ aka, ọbọ aka, nke a bụ afọ, nke a bụ afọ, nke a bụ ukwu, nke a bụ ukwu, nke a bụ aka.
You can get to learn about the language of online classes. Each other. Why not? Okay.
Do you feel sad that your children do not know how to speak the Igbo language, or are you?
Hey, you are seeing yourself at that place, right?
You can't do the two at a time.
You are seeing yourself there.
You can't do the two at a time. You can't be here and there.
We're not doing short.
You can't be here.
Yes, I want this, but I want this one. No, that's how it's just.
You can't be here and there at the same time.
Yeah, because
You too.
See you.
Wait, do you see that big black wire? I think it's connected to the. Okay. Use. No, I don't like that. Another one.
Ekele ndị Igbo, Igbo greetings and salutations. Igbo people are known for their respectful.
Whatever you
Oh, yeah,
are doing.
I want to. Hello,
That's what you are doing.
Ututu, how do you say good morning?
Whatever that is, I'll tell your teachers.
How do you greet? Afternoon is what? Good evening is what? Good morning is what? Good afternoon. Good evening. Olisajebe.
Good night. Good night is what?
Good night.
Kachifo.
Machi. Yeah, this side. Beba. Olisajebe beba. Olisajebe, give me good morning. Give me good afternoon.
You're not learning.
Guinea boo, good evening. Guinea boo, good night. Unu kora Olisadebaka, kora miaka. Oye many jegwegu. Maki maya idene egwegu. It's not time for play. It's not because you know it, you go and be playing. Okay? Rochegi no jodu. Rochegi no jodu. Machi. Yeah. Machi, Guinea, good morning. Guinea, good afternoon. Guinea boo, good evening. Happy week. Guinea boo, good evening. Guinea boo, good evening. Ah! Igu machi. Guinea boo, good evening. Is that what is good evening? Oh yeah, good evening. Guinea boo, good evening. Guinea boo, good night. Not I know.
Greetings and salutations.
Okay,
They greet to show respect. Knowledge, hierarchy.
This one, we already watched this one at over
Oledo, Guinea boo, good morning.
Guinea boo, good morning. Guinea boo, good afternoon.
Guinea boo, good afternoon. Guinea boo, good night. Guinea boo, good evening.
Good afternoon.
Good evening, boo, Guinea.
Good afternoon, Steve. Good evening.
So good bedoma. Guinea boo, good night. Kachifo.
Sorry.
Udo chibu. Biema. Machi. Biema. Ozioma. Biema. Muchago yana muta. Aya muchabe. These players, I am talking and we go forever. Happen to Tia. Gemunti. Happen to Tia.
This is the reason why I brought you here.
I don't know. I am muchabe yana. Unegwe.
We're still learning.
Machi. Machi.
Okay, you want to eat?
Yes.
Wait. Yeah, I know you want to eat it. Don't say yes.
In a love, man. You are doing well. When did you start playing during class?
I said that you playing.
When?
12:45.
I'm not asking when you play. Stop that. Share. Oshimia. You brought you. Bring your chair.
What did I call you about?
Honey,
But you like that guy watching? Ozzy, what?
If you know where your chair is,
Express
go and
gratitude.
sit there.
His greetings
If
include
you know where your chair is, go and sit there.
Walachi. Good afternoon. Mbedeoma. Good evening. Kachibo. Good night. There. Hi. Or hello. Mela.
Yeah.
Thank you. How? Well done. No. Welcome. This documentary is brought to you by
No check it back.
Snack. Who's a snack? Being a snack isn't just about your words.
You might give it up. I didn't put it on the phone. I'm telling you. Okay. Go back to that Igbo.
Nyama had this thing.
Igbo
What's when she just said?
I want insects. I want incense one.
Egwu soup.
Incense.
Play up song.
Okay.
I had that one.
Anka.
Mba.
What kind is this?
The second one. Yeah. ya ka anyị na-emeta aka.
Nke a.
Mmụta na-atọ ụtọ. Mmụta na-atọ anyị ụtọ. Mmụta na-atọ ụtọ. Mmụta na-atọ anyị ụtọ. Maazị Agụ. Ụmụaka. Igwe bido. Egwu nsupe. Onye ma supe. Onye ma supe. Onye ma supe. Onye ma supe. Masube. Masube. Anyị supe. Ngwa anyị supe. Masube. 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 Ngwa anyị supe. Supere m ụlọ. Supere m ụlọ. Anyị na-akpọ ya house n'oyibo. Supere m ute. Supere m ute. Anyị na-akpọ ya mat n'oyibo. Ngwa supere m ụzọ. Supere m ụzọ. Anyị na-akpọ ya dọ n'oyibo. Supere m azụ. Supere m azụ. Anyị na-akpọ ya fish n'oyibo. Ngwa supere m ọkụ. Supere m ọkụ. Anyị na-akpọ ya fire n'oyibo. Ọrụ ndụ mụ na aka. Supere m nne. Supere m nne. Anyị na-akpọ ya mọda n'oyibo. Ngwa supere m nna. Supere m nna. Anyị na-akpọ ya fada n'oyibo. Ngwa supere m nri. Supere m nri. Anyị na-akpọ ya food n'oyibo. Supere m oche. Supere m oche. Anyị na-akpọ ya chair n'oyibo. Ọ bụ gịnị n'Igbo? IGBO. Maazị Agụ. Ụmụaka. Igwe bido. Egwu nsupe. Onye ma supe. Onye ma supe. Ụmụaka a sị na akwụkwọ na-atụ ụtọ mana ọ na-ara ahụ na mmụta mana anyị ma na mmụta dị ụtọ. Ọ bụ eziokwu.
Okay. So,
Okay, play for you again, please.
spell it.
Can play for the second time because they will learn a lot from you.
Yes.
I like it.
Oh, who said I like it?
Me.
Oh,
I
yeah,
like
that's good.
it.
That's wonderful.
Mommy, I like it.
Ola, do you like it?
I like
You like it?
Mmụta na-atọ ụtọ. Mmụta na-atọ anyị ụtọ.
Hey, nwa na-arahụ ụlọ ebe mmụta na-atọ ụtọ. Mmụta na-atọ ụtọ, nwa na-arahụ ụra.
Maazị Agụ. Ụmụaka. Igwe bido. Egwu nsupe. Onye ma supe. Onye ma supe. Asasị onye ma supe. Onye ma supe. Ma supe. Anyị supe. Ngwa anyị supe. Ma supe. Ma supe. Ma supe. Ngwa anyị supe. Supere m ụlọ. Supere m ụlọ. Anyị na-akpọ ya supere moko. Aina koya fire no ibo. Oro mudaga. Supere munne. Aina koya moda no ibo. Supere munne. Aina koya fire no ibo. Supere munne. Aina koya food no ibo. Supere moche. Aina koya chair no ibo. Ogo gini ibo. IGBO. Ajago. Omaka.
Another spray up, eh? I saw another spray there. So I didn't hear the other one. I don't know about that one, but put it. Let's see how it goes.
This is a really long one.
If you love this video, please like, share, and subscribe.
Let me know whether it is longer. Okay, I didn't see
And this one is like repeating words, but you don't have to press to repeat the repeat button.
Aziago, and today I have got exciting news. Yes, Umotadioto is now on Patreon. Imagine sneaking into Umotadioto, become Africa. Just send us a DM and get your copy today.
Super mono. Super Ute. Super Muzo. Again. Also. Una black over Inagu Munti. Inagu ABD. Inahu. Oba kind of choir na asisibu. O O. Unanuo.
Repeat what you said in English.
Okay, when you are reading your ABC in Igbo, the English ABC, you know, this is letter A, right? In Igbo, it's not pronounced as A, it's pronounced as A. Okay?
They don't understand.
Yeah.
You go and do
Supermoku. Good. So Tisha Boya, she were there. Oh, the way you pronounce it is the way you will write it, right? In your English word, when you want to spell, you spell according to the sound of the letter, right? Yes. So, Tisha, the way you pronounce before you spell is the way you also pronounce in Igbo before you can write it down. That's why we have to teach you the ABD. Okay? Ohe kwatara iji kuzere unu ABD. Otisha akpọ ABD. Otisha akpọ ya. Otu nke ị ga-eshi wee dee ya. The way you pronounce it is the way you are writing it. If I say egg, you will say egg, right? Now, oku, ki, oku, akwaya. So now, superemu oku. If I ask you to spell oku, you will use the sound to spell it for me. Okay? Okay.
Clap for yourself.
Supere munne. Kwan supere munna. Oziama supere moche. Oledo supere mu. Oledo iko. Unu kọrọ ya aka, kọrọ na Oledo aka, kọrọ na Ozioma aka. Ozioma. Gịnị bụ ihe a? Efere. Onye ga-asụpụrụ m efere? Olaku supụrụ anyị ngaji. Bido na ịma ya akwa ya. Oledo, ị ga-azọpụta nwanne gị nwanyị. Will you help your sister? Supụrụ anyị ngaji. Supụrụ anyị ngaji. Ngaji.
I can help.
Yeah? Did she tell you she wanted to help her? Allow her to say it herself. Oledo, wine. Supụrụ anyị ngaji.
Let me take another thing. Say, oh, the time is over.
Ngaji. Ngaji. Okay? Olaku. Supraya. Ngaji. Okay? Olaku. The one. You good?
Super. ụmụaka a sị na akwụkwọ na-atọ ụtọ na ọ na-ara ahụ na mmụta mana anyị ma na mmụta dị ụtọ ọ bụ eziokwu.
You want to dance?
Yes.
Dance. Cherry Waka, you don't want to dance this one?
But they're all the same when you skip it all.
And
Repeats in the
yeah.
same in one video. What about this one? Nah, I don't. What about this
Children, let's learn Igbo spelling.
Okay, teacher.
Let's begin.
Yeah.
Can you spell? I'm a masuke. I can spell. Can you spell? I'm a masuke. I can spell. Can you spell? I'm a masuke. I can spell. I'm a masuke. Can you spell? I'm a masuke. I can spell. I'm a masuke. 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 Can you spell? I can spell. Can you spell? I can spell. Aki aka. Aki aka. Iki o iko. Iki o iko. Ezi eze. Ezi eze. Uri o ulo. Uri o ulo. Ori o oro. Ori o oro. Azi o azu. Azi o azu. Uzi o uzo. Uzi o uzo. Afi o afo. Afi o afo. Can you spell? Get my basuke. I can spell. I'm a basuke. Can you spell? Get my basuke. I can spell. I'm a basuke. Get my basuke. I'm a basuke. Get my basuke. I'm a basuke. Can you spell? I can spell. Can you spell? I can spell. Uzi o uzo. Uzi o uzo. Uzi e ube. Uzi e ube. Ogi e ogi. Ogi e ogi. Nidi o undo. Nidi o undo. Ahi o aho. Ahi o aho. Ahi a aha. Ahi a aha. Ebi e ebe. Ebi e ebe. Ezi e eze. Ezi e eze. Can you spell? Get my basuke. I can spell. I'm a basuke. Can you spell? Get my basuke. I can spell. I'm a basuke. Get my basuke. I'm a basuke. Get my basuke. I'm a basuke. Can you spell? I can spell. Can you spell? I can spell. Obi a opa. Obi a opa. Mimi a mma. Mimi a mma. Oki a oka. Oki a oka. Uwi e uwe. Uwi e uwe. Achiki ti u o. Dachifo. 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 Achiki ti u o. Dachifo. Dachifo. Dachifo.
Okay. Ụmụaka ya tiri ihe. Ha na-achị ọchị otu ndị na-eleta ha anya si achị ọchị.
Abio. How can you go class so enjoy? Mbụ ndị na-eleta.
Okay. Ele ya unu chere ime.
Ayo because I were
Very good. What else do you guys want to do?
Let us sleep.
Oh my God. You want to sleep?
Yeah, I
Okay.
don't want to sleep. I want to watch the.
Lisa, they were. Ele ya chere ime. What do you want to do?
I don't actually know.
You don't actually know. Okay. Sadebe, ask me Sadebe.
I want to watch IGBO too.
Okuchukwu. No, you chere ime.
IGBO too. Yes, like this one. No, not that one. Not insect.
There was a land plagued by blandness. Food had lost its flavor. The tastemaker arrives to restore taste to this land of blandness. All they need is sprinkle, stir, serve. Tastemaker.
So why credit request power? Think of it as your pre-approved spending power. It gives you the flexibility to access funds.
So gini bu father?
Nah.
Gini bu father? Olisa debe gini bu father? Gini bu mother? Okay. So gini bu In here now. What do you call this? Good. Ezioma, what do you call this? Oledanolaku, what do you call this? Okwi, what do you call this? Family. In a family, we have father, mother, and the children, right?
Yeah.
So, I saw father Bugini, mother Bugini. Then the children, what are they called? Say Umu. Say Umuaka. Umuaka. Then when you call family, Guinea family. Ndị ezinụlọ. Ezinụlọ. Ndị ezinụlọ. So, I were father, which is who? Mother. Children. Umuaka. Children. Ewe dure kwa na agụ. Umuaka, umuaka, any Jesus. Umuaka, any Jesus. Have you guys heard of the song before? No. That will be for another day. But also, I am going. And I were able to say insect. Oh no, Google.
I want Igbo to insect.
Yes.
Igbo to insect.
Okay. Stand up, stretch your body, Stand up, So you guys actually want to stretch your body. What's your hoogie? Hola. What's your hoogie? Stretch. Those exercises did in the morning. But I'm going to live there. I'm this side. Ever. No. Yeah, never. What is your going? Are you done stretching? Are you sure?
Yeah, don't stretch.
You're done stretching.
Yeah, I want to watch this.
Okay.
Oh.
I want
to watch this.
Not for today, the children are also there.
Yeah.
No, this.
So, during the cherry gathering, how many keep gathering?
No, man, I go to my yard. Although I get it started on the floor.
Nobody.
But the children are watching the television.
I want insect. I want from 100. Yeah.
Hello, John. What can I do for you? Weather report, stock prices, shopping list. Lights on, lights off. What does this can have that I don't?
Red Bull gives you wings.
Be the group chat hero with exclusive travel deals. Booking.com.
I could keep for you. There is the one I want to do the time that I kingdom come. I could keep for you. When you feel like quería como no, como ando man. No man.
I don't know. Russian, French, English, and the queen and the.
So speak Japanese.
The wife of the queen and the beggar. No. Wife of the king. No, this one.
Don't touch the screen.
Okay, this one. I've heard the line did not put this back. Why did it?
The flag will keep for you.
You push live there. Come here and
first one.
Okay.
Mana kan kina ako kita? Okay.
O nwere akọ m ga-akọrọ unu.
Akụkọ anyị nke taa bụ maka nwandanda ya na nduru otu ha na-abọ si wee bụrụ enyi. O nwere otu mgbe n'otu ehihie anwụ na-acha nke ukwuu. O nwere otu ndanda pụrụ ịkpa nri.
Nke a na-eri nri. Tinyebụrụ nke izizi ya, nke izizi ya. Nwunye ezi ya.
That looks fun.
Can we hear that?
This one.
Oti ọyọ, o nwere akụkọ m ga-akọrọ unu, kọrọ anyị na anyị na-ege ntị n'ihe ị na-ekwu ma ọ dị mma.
Okay. I want baby shark Igbo. Baby shark Igbo. Help!
Baby shark Igbo want to get it.
Hey, baby shark Igbo. Okay.
Igbo baby shark. Oh yeah, abeg.
Yeah, they have a baby shark for Igbo.
I love them, abeg.
Shark for Igbo.
When you learn your catch phone, abeg. Name, don't say mommy. Name, mommy. Mpa. Why that? Mpa Musa. Name, where my grandmother. Name is the grandmother. Namuku grandfather. Yeah, grandpa. It has finished. Oh, Bola. That guy for Bola to be cool. Hey, oh, Bola.
I miss you. Is it real that I like it?
Hey, oh, Bola. Mama, I don't know about this one.
I love to color, and my brand new IGBO coloring book is my favorite new project.
I don't like water.
Oh, don't you have no macaroni? Only who get on the work. And I be paying for you when I be pending to work. When you're not paying more. I'm a long kick. You know,
Happy Pig is toy. It's a toy. Happy Pig is
oh, don't you have no maca?
Ụmụaka ndewo no.
Maazị Agụ.
Ọ kapụkwa m ezi enyi nọ Maazị Agụ. Eji m n'aka na ụnụ dị mma. Uduchi na Chisom ana m anụ ebe ụnụ na-enwe obere ọgbaghara. Kee ihe ọwụ.
Chisom nwere apịpị ma ọ chọghị ya achị m azụ. Maazị Agụ, eji m apịpị Udochi na-egwu egwu ọbịa na lụso m ọgụ.
Mana nke bụ eziokwu Chisom. Ọ bụ Udochi nwe ya bụ apịpị.
Ọ bụ ya nwe ya apịpị.
Ọnọdụ ahụ